Hi everyone, my name is Carolyn, and I will be discussing Bridgeport, Connecticut. So just a little overview of Bridgeport. I've lived here my entire life, pretty much. About 22 years out of 26. So I've gone to all the schooling, the schools nearby. I have lived in different parts of Bridgeport. We have the North End, the South Side, the West End, the East End, and the East Side. So growing up, I did live all over Bridgeport. So I just wanted to provide you with this video, so you can just see a little bit of what Bridgeport looks like. I apologize. Okay, there we go. So in this video, it just shows pretty amazing pictures on how far our community has come. It focused that we were one facing and how it's now turned into a surplus of 1 million, and how the unemployment rate has dropped 5.9% in January. It shows what they're incorporating in our downtown area with providing new employment opportunities, such as they recently just added a pro shop, and they're also looking to invest in a casino. They placed smaller parks in our community so that children can have more resources to play and parents can take them to those parks. They've also added some new restaurants there, new companies such as Brewport, as well as Victoria's Secret, T-Mobile. They've been hosting events that are free for the community, such as Bluefish games, and they give us certain time of the year they'll do circus tickets for families that are free of charge. So it really engages families to be able to engage in things with their children. We do have two main parks in Bridgeport. One is called Seaside and one is called Beardsley Park. Beardsley Park actually has a small zoo. We do have two popular colleges here. We have University of Bridgeport as well as Housatonic. So I thought that was a really great video to just show the upcoming changes and how it's looking with the abandoned homes and how they're trying to reverse that. They started a program a couple years ago called Habitat for Humanity to help people on low income be able to better provide stable housing for their families, which is really nice. So I do think it is a great opportunity, as far as the Habitat for Humanity program, so that these families can better provide for their families. With this program, it's at a very low interest rate and the mortgage is pretty low. So it really helps, stabilize families to be in their own home. And the pretty cool thing about the program is that they actually have the families who apply for this program do sweat equity hours. So they actually help build their own home. So just a little overview of the demographics. In July 2016, there was approximately 146,579 residents residing in Bridgeport. 7.2 of the residents are under 5, and 24.3 of the residents are under 18. 10.3% of the residents are 65 and older. The races that pretty much make up Bridgeport are white, African American, and Hispanic. They all range from between 35% to about 42%, and Asian was at about 3%. As far as education, 76% graduated high school, and 17% graduated with a bachelor's or higher. The median household income is $43,137. 22.1% of the residents are in poverty. So I had mentioned earlier they are trying to increase the number of employment opportunities to, decrease the amount of poverty and unemployed residents. So there are several important institutions in our community. One of the biggest ones is us having food pantries. We have several all over each part of our town. So these are just a couple local ones. We have Bridgeport Tabernacle, St. George, Caesar Bataya, and Christian Revival. So all of these listed here are either churches or schools. So the schools, they do have like a separate room where parents can go in, whether they have children in their school or not, and it is like a little food pantry, and they provide books, and they do have clothing if it's available. The other ones do that as well. So some are strictly just food pantries, but other ones, it's actually like a closet where if they have other items for children or babies or adults, such as clothing, furniture, the people that come in can assist themselves to it. So this is Child and Family Guidance Center. This is actually where I'm currently working. I've been with the agency for a year. So Child and Family Guidance Center, we are located in Bridgeport, right in the downtown area. We assist with youth in crisis, counseling services, and family supports. We truly do so many things with families. I primarily work with substance abuse parents with children ages 3 and under, trying to promote sobriety and building better parent-child relationships. And just, helping them through all of that and maintaining that, that they really are okay, and most of them are under pressure because DCF is involved, so it could be a lot for them to be dealing with at once. So again, we do many things there. They have parenting programs, they have programs for teens going through things, they have just many things. They have music groups for infants, so it's an awesome program. So in our community, safety is a big concern in Bridgeport. Bridgeport has approximately 1,115 violent crimes for the year 2018 and 3,258 property crimes. There has been 10 murders in 2017, 69 reported rapes, 441 robberies, 595 assaults. So, although Bridgeport feels like these things are, a huge safety concern for all of us and make us aware of our surroundings at all times, it is great for me to be able to watch these videos that I came across for this project to just see how they truly are trying to change our community. So with the services that are provided in Bridgeport, local agencies do their best to refer clients to each other to assist a client with all possible needs. Bridgeport does a great job with keeping in contact with other local agencies to refer clients when they're needed. For instance, I'm at Child and Family Guidance Center. If there's a service that a client needs, such as energy assistance because their light bill is getting shut off, I would know where to refer them so that, we're not just leaving them without electricity and worrying about their counseling. We try to handle everything with knowing the other people around in our community so that we can do referrals and all just work as a team to help that family. So, as I mentioned earlier, this is Bass Pro Shop. So, this is one of the big stores that they brought into downtown, and it has helped with many jobs. And this is another video. And this, again, it just shows what's been new in the community. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video, and thank you for learning about Bridgeport.